Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own e-commerce site for free using the new Google Sites and PayPal. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Gmail account. And then once you're in your Gmail account, click this little thing that looks like a tic-tac-toe box and then navigate to Google Sites. You might not see the icon right here. You may have to search for it down here or online, but whatever you got to do, get to the Google Sites page, and then we are going to use the new Google Sites. So go there, and then from here to create a new website, just click this red plus button here, and there you go. Click in here to give your page a name. Good. Once you've done that, you can just kind of drag this to sort of change the orientation of your text a little bit. Next thing we are going to do here is we'll put an image in here, and I'll just use this one. Good. Now let's see, let's give the site a title. So same thing. Okay. Now we need to get a button from PayPal so that people can pay you. So go to your PayPal account, make sure you have created a PayPal business account, then go to your profile, and then go over here where it says My Selling Tools, and then from there where it says PayPal Buttons, Manage My PayPal Buttons, click Update. And from here you're going to create a new button. And then you'll want to select a button type. In this case, I think shopping cart is, let's do a buy now button. All right. And we'll call it very good. And this is optional, but we'll give it a item ID. And then price. Now here you can give yourself, give your buyers a choice to pay multiple prices. So what you do is you click where it says add drop down menu with price option, and then just put that in, and we'll have, sure, choose your price. Why not? Option 1. And option 2. And option 3. And then we want to put our prices in. We'll put, let's see, that'll be $10. And this will be $50. And this will be $100. Okay. And just click done. And it's kind of a preview of what your button is going to look like. And this gives you some other options, shipping, tax. We're just going to click Create Button. And this is the code you're going to need to put on your website. So click Select Code, Control C to copy the code, and go back to your page. From here, we're going to, let's insert a text box first. So insert the text box. We'll say, let's just use the same text. Oops, can't type very good today. And that should be good. Now we'll go ahead and put some code in there. So we click embed, and then not a URL, but embed code. Click in there and Control V to paste your code in there. Click next. And that is exactly what your button's going to look like on your website. Click insert. Perfect. Now I'm just going to shave down this field a little bit to the size of my button. Maybe that's too much. Come back a little bit. And then I think I want to center this over here. And I'll go ahead and do the same with my text here. I'm going to make it about like that. Okay. Next thing you do is click Publish. And it's asking to choose a web address. That looks fine. Click Publish. And now to see your site, it says your site has been published successfully, and to view it, you can click View here, or you can go right here and see where it says View Published Site. Just click that, and there is your website. And that is how you create an e-commerce site for free using the new Google Sites and PayPal. I hope you found this information useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe below.